Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Shopify abandoned cart strategy with Klaviyo, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify dashboard. Search for Klaviyo in the App Store and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, open the Klaviyo app from your dashboard. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Link your Klaviyo account to your Shopify store by following the prompts. Now, access your Klaviyo dashboard. Click on the Lists and Segments tab to start working on your abandoned cart strategy. Create a new list specifically for abandoned carts. Name this list something recognizable, such as Abandoned Carts. Next, go to the Flows tab in Klaviyo. Click on the Create Flow button to design your abandoned cart flow. Choose the abandoned cart flow template as your starting point. Customize the flow according to your brand's tone and style. Add a trigger for the flow that activates when someone abandons their cart. In the flow, insert emails that will be sent to remind customers about their abandoned carts. Include details about the items left in the cart and a strong call to action. Consider adding a discount code in the follow-up email to incentivize completion. Set the timing for each email to optimize responses, typically within a few hours after cart abandonment. Review all the elements in your flow to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to activate your abandoned cart flow. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart emails through Klaviyo's Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to the flow as needed based on performance metrics. Implement A/B testing for different email variations to find the most effective strategies. With these steps, you can effectively restore your Shopify abandoned cart strategy using Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.